Here's what's new on LinkedIn that you need to know about. A new feature called Daily within its LinkedIn Learning app, offering personalized short videos. So short form video content, under a minute, for daily learning from experts. This feature is being evaluated for potential integration directly into the LinkedIn feed, which could enhance engagement through educational content. Now, it is just being tested at the moment. It hasn't been released. So from what I understand, the idea is that this is short, punchy, educational pieces of content to keep it away from the spammy look of TikTok and Facebook, etc., with the quality of video, which I completely understand. Education and value-based content is a really quick and easy way to become an authority in your niche and establish yourself as a thought leader in your particular industry. So if it does come out, I would definitely use it for that. Educating your audience doesn't have to be always serious. It can be done through fun, humor. Yes, of course it can be serious, but it can be done in so many different ways. So if it does come out, really be smart about how you can educate your audience. So it doesn't always have to be face to camera as well. It can be faceless too. Me personally, I think it's a step in the right direction, but I do think it's very long overdue.